Hello friends, welcome to my channel SVK Arts, and today we talk about the wax crayon. I bought this camel wax crayon. It contains 12 shades and it is only for 10 rupees. So what do you think guys? Shall I get a good result from this wax crayon? So let's start the drawing and find out how it works. See, I have made this drawing of Parrot. Now I will color it with the wax crayon. First check out which color we want in this drawing. See the Parrot picture. We need red, orange, dark and light blue, green and yellow color. Always remember one thing, start the coloring from top of the drawing. Today we are just looking about coloring. I will make a separate video only for drawing. Look at this parrot picture. I am going to color according to that. While coloring, keep the reference picture beside so you can match the color easily. You can see here, there is only feather detailing. I am giving the light and dark shading so the feather will look beautiful and attractive. Now my coloring is completed and I am moving to the next step. What I am doing now, I am just using 10B pencil. You can use 10B or 12B because these are a darker pencil. I am using this pencil to make the outline because the outline gives more attractive look to the drawing. So finally our artwork has been finished. Look at this drawing. The result I got is more than my expectation. I didn't expect this kind of result. So what did we learn from today's video? It's not necessary that we always want a high quality colors and costly colors. That colors definitely gives an attractive look. But even the small 10 rupees wax crayon also gives a very amazing result. I think you should try this experiment. You just required a wax crayon and 10B pencil. In the 20 rupees you can create a great artwork. So you can check out my Instagram handle on the screen. Also I have given my Facebook page link in the description. So go there and follow me as well. I bring a new exciting artwork on every weekend. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.